Today, we're talking about snagging a Porsche without breaking the bank, specifically for those with a budget between $35,000 and $50,000. Black Friday 2025 might have just passed on November 28th, but the deals are lingering into Cyber Week. According to recent reports, used car sales surged by 15% during this period, with luxury brands like Porsche seeing increased inventory turnover due to end-of-year clearances. If you're a buyer eyeing that iconic Porsche badge, this is prime time. Dealerships are offering extended financing rates as low as 3.99% APR for qualified buyers, and many are throwing in free maintenance packages or certified pre-owned warranties to move stock. Data from Edmunds shows that average used Porsche prices dipped 4% in November 2025 compared to October, making now the perfect moment to strike. We'll focus on 5 standout models in your price range, all used but packed with performance, style, and that unmistakable Porsche thrill. I'll include the latest 2025 market data on pricing, reliability, and why these are smart buys. Let's rev it up. First up, the Porsche 997-911, specifically from the 2005 to 2008 era. This is the entry point to the legendary 911 lineage without the 6-figure price tag. In 2025, well-maintained examples with 50,000 to 80,000 miles are averaging $38,000 to $48,000 on sites like Cars.com and AutoTrader. Why this one for Black Friday? Dealerships often bundle these classics with holiday incentives, like reduced certification fees, saving you up to $2,000. The 997 refined the 996's water-cooled engine, delivering 325 horsepower from its 3.6-liter flat six, rocketing from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds. It's got that timeless rear-engine layout for razor-sharp handling, perfect for weekend canyon runs or daily commutes. Pros: iconic design with round headlights, upgraded interior over predecessors, and a community of enthusiasts for parts and mods. Cons: watch for IMS bearing issues in early models, though many have been upgraded. Annual maintenance runs $1,200 to $1,800 at indie shops. Recent data: Hagerty's 2025 valuation guide notes the 997 is appreciating 5 to 7% annually as collectors snap them up, so buying now could mean equity gains. If you're a purist wanting that 911 magic on a budget, hit up your local Porsche dealer this weekend. They're motivated post-Black Friday. Imagine cruising in this beauty, feeling the flat six roar. Black Friday tip: negotiate for winter tires or a detail package to sweeten the deal. Next, the Porsche 981 Boxster, models from 2013 to 2016. This mid-engine roadster is a driver's delight, blending open-top fun with everyday usability. Current 2025 averages: $36,000 to $49,000 for low-mileage specimens under 60,000 miles per Kelley Blue Book and Edmunds listings. Black Friday buyers rejoice, dealers are slashing prices on convertibles as winter approaches, with some offering 10% off or zero down financing. Powered by a 2.7-liter flat six making 265 horsepower, it hits 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds. The electric steering and balanced chassis make it a corner-carving machine. Pros: exceptional handling, premium cabin with modern tech like touchscreen infotainment, and reliability scores of 4.5 from J.D. Power in 2025 surveys. Cons: limited cargo space, but hey, it's a sports car, and soft tops need occasional care. Market trends show the 981 holding value better than ever, with a 3% price increase since early 2025 due to demand for analog Porsches before full electrification. For buyers wanting wind and hair thrills without the Cayenne's bulk, this is your ticket. Pro tip: look for CPO models during sales for that extra peace of mind. Feel the freedom? Black Friday often means bundled accessories like wind deflectors at no extra cost. Number 3, the Porsche 981 Cayman, sibling to the Boxster but with a hardtop for year-round appeal. 2014 to 2016 models are fetching $37,000 to $50,000 in 2025 based on Cars.com data for units with 40,000 to 70,000 miles. Why Black Friday? Inventory glut from trade-ins means negotiable prices, plus rebates on extended warranties. With up to 325 horsepower in S trims, It's a 0 to 60 sprinter in 4.6 seconds. The mid-engine setup offers near-perfect weight distribution for track days or spirited drives. Pros: stiffer chassis than the Boxster for better dynamics, spacious enough for two with hatchback practicality, and low depreciation, only 2% drop in value this year per true car. Cons: rear visibility is meh, and fuel economy hovers at 20 to 25 mpg. In 2025, enthusiasts are flocking to the 981 as the last naturally aspirated Cayman before turbo shifts, pushing demand up. Grab one now before prices climb further. Precision engineering at its finest. Holiday deals might include free alignments or brake services. Fourth on the list, the first-gen Porsche Macan, focusing on 2015 to 2017 bases or S models. This compact SUV brings Porsche performance to family life, averaging $35,000 to $47,000 in 2025 for clean examples with 50,000 to 80,000 miles. Black Friday buyers, this is your powerhouse. End-of-month quotas mean aggressive haggling, potentially saving 5 to 8%. The 3-liter twin-turbo V6 pumps out 340 horsepower, dashing 0 to 60 in 5.2 seconds. It's agile like a hot hatch, but with AWD grip. Pros: versatile for daily duties, upscale interior with Apple CarPlay retrofits common, and strong reliability. Repair PAL rates at 4 out of 5 in 2025 surveys. Cons: higher maintenance at $800 per year average, and tight rear seats. With EV Macans hitting showrooms, used gas models are deals galore. Data shows a 6% price softening since summer 2025, so act fast. Luxury meets utility. Look for Black Friday bundles with roof racks or all-season tires. Finally, the second-gen Porsche Cayenne, 2011 to 2014 models. This mid-sized SUV is the practical Porsche pick, with prices ranging $35,000 to $49,000 in 2025 for V6 or S variants under 70,000 miles. Black Friday buyers, this is your powerhouse. End-of-month quotas mean aggressive haggling, potentially saving 5 to 8%. Boasting up to 400 horsepower in S trims, it conquers 0 to 60 in 5.5 seconds with off-road prowess. Pros: spacious cabin for 5, towing up to 700 pounds, and tech upgrades like navigation. Cons: thirsty at 15 to 20 mpg, and watch for air suspension woes. In 2025, values stabilized after a dip, with Hemmings reporting steady demand for these as affordable luxe haulers, ideal for families wanting Porsche prestige. Power and poise for every day. Holiday perks might include free oil changes for a year. There you have it, 5 killer Porsches between $35K and $50K, perfect for Black Friday hunting. Remember, always get a PPI, check Carfax, and negotiate hard. Data from November 2025 shows inventory is high, so deals abound. Which one's your pick? Drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Safe driving and happy holidays!